Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with Swapnil. And if you are aware about the visualization part, let's say Tableau or Power BI, so then you can use a bar chart, pie chart and all these things. You can do the visualization in Excel also, but in a KNIME you can do same things, and that is very easy. You have to just use the connector and you can make the visualization according to your need. So how, I will show you. So this is one of the CSV file that I have, and basically it shows a user ID, different user IDs according to the different ages, their gender, and they have their sleep quantity, their stress level up to means out of 10, days without any social media. They are given some ratings, exercise, social media, what they are preferring, happiness level, and all these things. So what we'll do, I will show you bar chart and pie chart for this, so that you can understand, so that you don't need to open a Power BI or Tableau. You can directly do visualization from KNIME itself. Okay, so for that, this is my file. If you are not aware about how you can get the data set, I have created the video for that. Basically this is I have downloaded from Kaggle, so you can use that. I will add a link in the description to download directly this data set. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is first, I will, because I don't need I want to summarize the data because I don't want this much of data. So what I will do is I will do a group by. Group by for what? So what we can do is I will do a grouping on base of gender, and then I in the manual aggregation method, let's apply stress level. Okay, and now I will summarize the stress level, means overall stress level. Let's see, gender wise we'll find out the stress level. Okay, so for that what we'll do is we will take a sum, and the column naming I need original name, so that's why I click on apply and okay. Now if you see, we'll get only limited data, right? So female has a stress level of 1512, male has a 1645, and other has category has a 152 stress level of count. So maximum stress level comes under a male category. Okay, so now what, let's say what if I do a visualization like a bar chart. So if I just type a bar chart, you have this is the visualization part. You can download it in the Excel also. I will show you in the next video, but for currently, let's say in a Power BI we use tiles or we use a column, drag and drop things, right? So same we can do in the KNIME also. Okay, we need the dimensions, like we have currently one dimension, right, the gender one. Okay, and we need the method is the sum. Okay, and we have a stress level of count. Okay, because only we have selected only limited data, so we directly will not do anything. We just click on OK, and let's see, let's play this. So this is the basic level of visualization you will get. Now you can do some enhancement from here. Let's say if you want to make aggregation method like an average or occurrence count. Let's say if you want to make a count, directly from here you can make the changes, and you can just save and execute the things. So if you see the count is kind of almost same, because male female is showing only one, so which is not correct. So sum is the correct approach, right? Now if you go bar chart, you can make the change, you can change the title also, like stress level by gender. Okay, okay, so okay, it's not a straight, it's a stress level by gender. Okay, so this is one of the thing that you can do. You can if you click on this axis labels, so we have x-axis as a gender, right? So I have mentioned it gender, and this is the count of stress. Okay, so this is the count of the stress. 1800 is the highest one, right? So this is how you can make the changes, like okay, again we have a stack chart, group chart, and these are the different things that you can do, horizontal, vertical, and all these things. You can just you have to just plug and play this, right? Okay, so this is one of the This is one of the visualization that we have created. But let's try different way. Okay, sorry, let's try different type of visualization. We have calculated the stress level, right? According to gender. I will consider gender only, but the aggregation will be, let's do something different, like happiness count. Okay, again we will do over here as a sum only, because we need only sum, and then I will click on apply. Okay, now the again male is more happy than female. Okay, now just do one more thing. I want to apply a pivot, sorry, not a pivot, I want to apply chart like things, pie chart. Okay, let's apply this. Again I want according to gender wise, and I need a sum. Threshold will be, let's try, what is the threshold? I think it's not making any sense, so leave it currently. Title is happiness by gender. Okay, if we increase this size, then the pie chart also increases. I don't want too much big, right? So I will make it as a 50 only. If you click on a donut, then it will give you a proper donut chart. Okay, and if you hover over it, it will give you other more details on that side, right? 49%, female is a 45%, other is 4.82%. Okay, again you can do one more thing. You can, what is this proportion and all? Okay, proportion in the sense absolute. What is absolute? Okay, male 2077, proportion is okay. Proportion give you a percentage, and both, if you click on the both, it will give a proportion as well as the absolute count. Okay, count and actually percentage, so both. And selection, and you can click on the generate images. Okay, so you can there are various different things that you can do by using this particular charts and all. Okay, we have multiple types of charts available in this. If I just click on a chart, if you see, there are tons of charts available. So this is according to our need, we have to select, right? So I have shown you the basic bar chart that you can create, and how to you can create a donut chart from the KNIME itself, right? So KNIME is like not only to just do a transformation, you can do also many different things like this visualization part, and you can share it with your colleagues, right? So this is how you can make the visualization in KNIME. If you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.